everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a review on the 12 days of Ulta Beauty Advent Calendar. If you do want to see a review and a demo, then please keep watching. As a huge favor, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and comment anything down below. I greatly appreciate it. I read all the comments and I will do my best to reply back. This calendar retails for $20 on Ulta's website. I do want to read a little bit about this advent calendar. Create fabulous festive looks with the makeup minis in the Ulta Beauty Collection 12 Days of Beauty Countdown Calendar. This oh-so giftable and oh-so receivable set includes 12 Ulta Beauty Collection makeup and skincare goodies. Here's a closer look at what the Advent Beauty Calendar looks like. Let me remove this so it's not as reflective. There we go, that's much better. There's 12 different beauty items inside. On the back of the packaging, there isn't anything printed. On the bottom of the sleeve, it shows you a little picture of what's included. Right next to the barcode, it says it's a $75 value, but I only paid $20 for this set. Up at the top, there's a little description, and then you have the list of ingredients. Let's see what's inside bag number 1. I love how Ulta did these little pouches this year. It's so cute. This little bag has a number 1 on it. On the back, there isn't anything. Let's see what's inside. The first item is an Eyeshadow Duo. It says it was made in China. Let's swatch these. This is super soft. Here's what that shade looks like. There's those two shadows. These eyeshadows, they don't have any names, but these are pretty shades. Let's see what's inside bag number 2. We have a macadamia scented hand cream. Here's what the back looks like. Let's smell this. The hand cream doesn't smell like anything. Let's see what's inside bag number 3. I love these little baggies. It's so cute and it comes in different shades of pink. The next item is a blush. There's no shade name on the back. Let's see what this swatch is like. I don't know why I use both of my fingers to swatch the blush shade. I guess I really like blush. Here's what the blush shade looks like. Ooh, that's pretty. I'll just go over it with the other finger. That's so pretty. I blended it out a little bit. It's really stunning. Let's see what's behind bag number 4. We have another Eyeshadow Duo. Here's what those shades look like. Wow, that's really pretty. The green shade is giving me Natasha Denona vibes. Moving on to bag number 5. Ooh, this is actually a tinted lip oil. Here's what the back looks like. Let's open this up. Wow, that's super pigmented for a tinted lip oil. It doesn't even have a shade name on the bottom. That's weird. Let's see what it looks like applied on the lips. The formula feels like a gloss. It doesn't feel like a lip oil at all. Let's see what's behind bag number 6. Here we have a mattifying face primer. Let's see what this looks like. It definitely feels like a silicone-based primer. Next up, we have day number 7. Let's see what's behind bag number 7. We have an overnight lip mask. Ooh, I was not expecting this to have an applicator. Let's see what this feels like on the lips. This has a pink tint to it. I'm going to press my lips together. It feels okay on the lips. It's very lightweight. Let's see what's in bag number 8. I don't know why the cap is a little bit dirty. Here we have a matte liquid lipstick. Here's what the back looks like. And again, there's no shade name on the bottom. Let's see what this looks like. Another beautiful shade. Wow, this shade is so opaque. This shade is so pretty. I wish this had a shade name. Here's what the matte lipstick looks like dried down. I want to do a kiss test on the back of my hand. Not much transfer. The lipstick shade is still on my lips. Moving on to bag number 9. Here we have a clear brow gel. Here's what the spoolie looks like. I want to feel the texture on my eyebrows. I have a little bit of brow product. I'll come back to the clear brow gel in a moment. Moving on to bag number 10. We have a lip gloss. Again, no shade name. This has a bit of sparkle. I'm going to remove this shade and then we'll apply lip gloss. Now let's apply the lip gloss. This shade is pretty. I can't feel the shimmer specks on my lips, and it does feel a bit moisturizing. Moving on to bag number 11. It looks like we have some under eye patches. There's nothing on the back. Let's see what the last item in bag number 12 is. Here we have an eyeshadow crayon. Again, there's no name. Let's see what this looks like. Again, another beautiful shade. Now let's create a look using these items. First up, I want to see what the blush looks like. Taking my blush brush. Ooh, that's pretty. It does have a little bit of shimmer. I don't like blushes that have shimmer in it. I prefer a matte blush. Here's what the blush looks like. It's so pretty. Now let's play with these eyeshadow duos. Taking a fluffy brush, I'm going to dip into this shadow, apply it all over the crease, going back and forth using windshield wiper motions. You can't really see this shade in my crease. I want to see if this matte shade shows up. Taking a little bit of that shade using that same brush. Again, going back and forth in the crease. Perfect, that shade shows up. Again, I'm going to be doing windshield wiper motions, going back and forth. That blended out really nicely. Taking a little bit of that shadow crayon and applying this on my outer V using circular motions. Using that same brush, I'm going to blend everything together, making sure that there's no harsh lines. Using my finger, I'm going to dip into this green shadow, pack this in the center of my lid. Taking a clean flat brush, I'm going to dip into the purple shimmer, apply this in the inner portion of my eye. That's so pretty. I'm going to apply a little bit of mascara since this set didn't come with one. Here's what the eye makeup looks like. For lips, I'm going to apply the lip oil. Here's what everything looks like. My final thoughts on this advent calendar is that I really did like the products that were included. You can also reuse these little bags and make your own advent calendar. The eyeshadows perform really nicely on the eyes. I really did like this blush shade, but I wish it didn't have any shimmer. The scented hand cream didn't smell like anything. I was surprised how good this eyeshadow stick performed on the eyes. It was a little bit stiff, but you have to get it going. I'll have to keep you guys updated on the overnight lip mask and the mattifying primer, and I'll keep you guys updated on how the eye patches perform. I forgot to circle back on the clear brow gel. I really do like it on my eyebrows. It doesn't feel stiff or anything. I also really like the lip products that were included. All in all, I really did like this advent calendar. If you guys did enjoy this video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please do subscribe. I will see you guys in my next video.